Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you dropped in today. I got a little late start of the day, so we're going to be doing sliders. This one's going to be ham and cheese. There's a cheeseburger. There's a good cheeseburger that I like to do. Just run your knife through the little. These are Hawaiian rolls, so get any kind of roll you want. Just run your, and take off the top. I think I'm a little crooked with it, but take it off. These are so good to, like if you're going to go on a little trip or something, just put these in a little bag. My grandchildren love them. There's so many good things you can do with them. This is Black Forest ham. And I think I'm going to put this is just plain cheddar. I ground it up on my little grater. I like to grind my own cheese, don't you? You know, and you can get the 24 pack, which if you've got a bigger family, it does, you know, it comes in handy. This is a pretty good size for me and my little grandson coming home. So this will go a long way. And if there's one or two left, you can put them in the microwave. They're so good to eat in the microwave after you've put them through this process. Oh gosh, there's just so many good sliders you can make now. But this is one of my favorites, I have to say that. This is just Black Forest cheese, and Black Forest ham over the cheese. There's all kinds of good hams to do on these too. And of course, you pick your own cheese out. I do like the Colby cheese, as I've told you before. It's one of my the one I like the best. And I'll put some Monterey Jack on top of this one, like this. Not too much of the cheese for it. Or mozzarella would be good. I just happen to have this one on hand. Get over here in the corners. One of them won't have any. Now, I don't put mayonnaise or mustard on these, but when they come out, they're so cheesy. You can put a little side dish of a dip or something, but I just don't add them when I'm doing this because it is sort of overwhelming with cheese and ham. Wow. That looks like a big amount. Okay. Now, let's see. Put the top on it. Like that. Let's put it down in our dish. We put a little bit of butter in it. Let's put a butter here. I'm going to put a little bit of savory flavoring in it. You put anything you like onion, garlic. I'm putting savory, a little bit of Italian. This is 1/8 of a teaspoonful, by the way. A little bit of Italian. Just put a 2/8, your 4th teaspoonful. I thought a few little fennel seeds might be good. Just a few fennel seeds go a long way. Just put a little bit of the butter in. This is 2 tablespoons of butter, by the way. And I put 1/8 of the fennel, 1/8 of the savory, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of Italian. So it's got plenty of good flavorings in it. Let's put it in this. It's looking good already. And smelling even better. And then just put your butter mixture and your flavorings right over top. And believe me, it doesn't get, they don't get soggy. It stays really good. Let me know what sliders you like better. I guess this is my favorite, the ham and cheese, because it's so easy to mix. Well, all of them are, but this goes in the oven. I've got my oven preheated to 375, and it'll be in there about 20 minutes. So the cheese melts real good, and we'll have a slider. I'm getting my sliders out of the oven now. Well, they look delicious. This knife's probably a little bit bigger than an 8. See, the butter absorbed into the little rolls. Okay. See? There's cheese. Yeah, everything's melted out. Ooh. It smells awfully good. It's too hot to eat. Just want to taste one. That's very good. That little bit of fennel in there is very good too. It's been a long time since I've used my fennel. I mean, it wasn't old or anything, but that's very good. Well, so we have another little snack going on here. What's been good today? And it's one of those quick days where you have to come up with something real quick if you have those like I do. It's been a wonderful day. I'm glad you dropped in. We'll see you soon. Subscribe, ring that bell. Be kind to people this week. Remember the joy. Pray for those who are going through these terrible floods. See you soon. Bye.